Goals, goals, goals. It's like digging for gold. Then finally, when you've dug, you're in space costume. You've just dug through the earth, and now you're in space. That is what it is like. That is what gold is like. It's like digging for gold. What my metaphor is saying is like when you get goal after goal after goal after goal, if you reach a goal, then you don't stop and then you keep on practicing, and then you make another goal and a goal and a goal and so on. Go and go, 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 go. A goal is a plan that can be set and achieved. Like when I set goals on my maths games for new high scores to be achieved, I achieve them because the first part of setting a goal is believe them. Believe the goal you set. Believe the goal you set. Like I have loads of goals. Like I want to be a singer, a dancer, a saxophone player, a drummer, which I already am, and loads more. Even inspirational speaker, what I'm doing right now. Setting goals can give you opportunities if you practice what your goals are. I value goals like gold and silver. Gold and silver. That's how I value gold. Because it's like when you dig for gold and silver, you keep on trying and trying and trying. And then one day, since you set that goal and you kept on trying until you made that goal was appreciated. And also, that goal, whilst it was set, it was done. If you're going to set goals, you've got to get it done. You've got to get it done. The importance of goals is that you're looking into the future, or even looking into now and what you want to achieve. It's like looking into a telescope and seeing the stars and thinking, all right, I'm going to reach this star. Star looks small, but it's very big. And I'll be able to reach it, no matter how hard I try. Goals help me in my own life because I really want to achieve a lot of stuff in my life, like being a multi-instrumentalist, which means definition on Google. You play a lot of instruments. Even at one time, I also want to set out my own album. I also want to make an inspirational speech in front of 1 million people, which will happen. I have loads of goals. Even flying around the world and having my own houses there and building houses and being in movies, making my own business and also record labels and loads more. I have loads of dreams, goals and ambitions. Turn your dreams and ambitions into goals and then you're really starting somewhere, because you can't just go, oh, I'm thinking about this dream and ambition, and then poof, magically into a goal. Ooh, it's a goal. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm sorry, it doesn't work like that. You need to put the practice, hard work, and believe that you can, and write down your ideas. You need to write down your ideas. Here's an example. I wanted to be on the TV drumming. My goal was to be on TV. Imagine anything. I was practicing the drums. That's the first thing I learned in music. 50% of my day I practiced. 50% of my day I practiced. And it helped me a lot. And once I practiced every day, even before I go to bed, then that gave me the opportunity for a call from the producers of Little Big Shots UK. And I found myself in a position where I was squealing. Like, pretend it was louder. And then, and it went through the whole neighborhood, maybe. Maybe it went through the whole neighborhood because I was so excited. And I put the work in. I was like, I was so excited. I was so happy. I actually screamed inside myself. I was like, Alright, all of you children, I can tell you something. You don't have to say, when I grow up, I want to do this. When I grow up, it's just what everyday people think. That's just what everyday people think. They think that children can't achieve stuff until they're adults. Well, guess what? If you thought that, think again, because you can have opportunities and think big as a child. And it can get you to big opportunities. If you just write them down and practice and so on, you'll get there. And if you believe in yourself and don't let anyone set you apart from your goal, then you will get somewhere. You'll get so happy. Even when you're an adult, you'll be saying, oh, look at my childhood memories. Oh, this is my picture when I graduated from university young, because I practiced no matter what other people told me. Or, oh, this is my picture of me when I performed on stage at a very young age. You'll be looking at your memories as an adult, and as an adult, you'll be looking at your childhood memories and thinking, wow, have I achieved so much. All you people who are young children who can't think of any goals, here's some good places to go. To concerts. If you want to be musical, you need to go to concerts or operas. And if you want to be an inventor, go to places where they do machinery, or go to museums. If you want to be a discoverer, then try and look at some stuff that are new in your house. Or try and look at some stuff that are new in the world. And discover some stuff new that you can tell to a lot of people. And there's so much more. You can even bang on your pillow. And then you'll be a great drummer, going like... So the steps, once you've found what you want to do, or what you really want to do too, some stuff that you want to do, plural, you need to, 1, write them down so you don't forget them. Number 2, keep it safe with you, because who knows, someone might steal that idea. Number 3, practice it every day. Practice it every day, every night, every hour, and every minute. And number 4, if you get an opportunity, that's great. That's only the beginning. If you're nervous, shy, or think that you might get embarrassed on performance, don't worry. Talk to one of your friends, or talk to an adult, or talk to someone who really understands you. And then practice building up your confidence. And also do some research. I nearly forgot that. Do some research about what that talent involves. Or if you want to make your own talent or your own stuff, then think of what you want it to be. The first part is the brain. The mind. Because without a mind, you wouldn't be able to think of ideas. If you think and use your brain to have an idea and keep on practicing, then people will acknowledge you because you had an idea. You turned that into reality. Recap. Step 1. Think of any idea you can. It can be anything you want. Step 2. Write them down into goals. And step 3. Practice and practice and practice. And make progress and acknowledge the fact that you've made these ideas. And sometimes get inspired. That's another thing. Get inspired. Like how my drumming is inspired by other drummers as well. Or how my inspiration is inspired by other people who inspire me. And most importantly, read as you shall lead. And it will help you write. and your ideas and future will be bright. Hey, that rhymes! Double rhyme! Ding ding. The 2 last final ones are once you've achieved it. Once you've achieved it, acknowledge that. But then the final step, you'll be happy with this. Have fun along the way! Because it's not boring. It's not boring. It's fun because you're thinking about your ideas. It's just like imagining. It's just like when you go to sleep and have a good dream. Goals help you live the dream. Like if you want to be a singer, dancer, rapper, or so on. You can achieve that. Remember, it's Mindset Monday and we are working on our goals. Tell me about what goals you're working on in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. By the way, thank you for watching. I'm on social media, so give me a holler at I am Geneva London. Subscribe to my YouTube page and bell me, which means notification. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.